Hi, in this video I'll show how to use application for converting Evtx file to Excel format. You can see on my computer I have Evtx file. I think I have a couple of them. Let's sort by type. And there was a bigger one, no? So, basically Evtx files are events from event computer, event viewer, and they are stored into this file. I can open it with Microsoft Event Viewer, and kind of it's showing me what is inside Evtx file. It's very slow, but yeah, it's showing 3000. And also I can open with Evtx Viewer from White Rock. It's a free app. It's showing what is inside the Evtx file really quick, and I can export it also into different formats like Excel, Word, but in this case it will export everything that it has in here, and depending on event it could be a lot of fields. So I will show how to use a different application for converting the Evtx file into Excel, and to get this application I will go on this website. I will leave the link on site into description, and click on search and type Evtx event extension, and yeah, click on it, click on this page, and I need Evtx to Excel. Click on it and click on download button to start downloading process, and wait until archive will be downloaded on my computer. It's here. I will click on downloaded archive, double click on MSI inside archive, and click more info here. I'm getting the screen from Windows because I'm not registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown. So I'll just click run anyway to start installation, then click on next install, click on yes on this screen, and click finish. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and this and this, and double click on shortcut to launch app. And conversion is 3 steps process. In step 1 we have to select Evtx files. I'll click on this button and navigate to my documents folder and select the Evtx file I want to convert, this large one. And I can select multiple files if I want to be them into one Excel. It's fine, I can have multiple files, and click on next step. Here on this step I can select only only information I want to export to be exported in Excel. I can click select all. Let's select all, and yeah, and click on next. And on final step click run. It's asking me for name and location of the file. This name and location is okay, just click save, and file has been saved. And then let's go and open this file. I don't have Excel on this computer, and Excel is not required for that. However, I have a Excel mobile. It's a free viewer from Microsoft, and it's showing what is inside Excel file. Sometimes it's just like spinning. Let's give it a second. Yeah, let's restart it. But if you have Excel, normal Excel, it will open right away, like this one. Also, I cannot resize anything. But you can see all data exported from Evtx to my to Excel format, and it's including system, data, task when it's happened, payload, data, everything in here. So basically it exported over 3000 events from that Evtx format. Yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you'd like to see more application like this and more video like this, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.